So you want to see the logs for your temperatures on your Victron system. I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's assume you have 4 temperature probes like I do connected to your Cerbo GX, and that Cerbo is connected to your VRM portal. You're going to go into your advanced area and you can see this electrical box temperature probe. You can see our temperatures getting plotted here over the 1-day axis, just like everything else. So to configure that, you have to enable these widgets. So here's another one for the outside probe, and we can see our temperatures plotted on a graph where the x-axis is time and the y-axis is temperature. So up here with widgets, we can see all the widgets. Click the plus button where all these temperature ones are and click enable all. When you do that, you're going to get your data. So we have 4 and we can see that we have enabled them all. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.